Hello guys! Welcome to A7 TV! So today we're gonna put these slimes in random places. So remember this slime from the other video, DIY slime kit? And we're gonna put this one in the freezer, gonna put this one in the oven, and we're gonna put this one in a glass of water. Let's see what will happen. Let's go. This slime, we're gonna put this in the freezer. Overnight. We're gonna put this in the oven. Ask your parents to put it in the oven because it will be hot, hot, hot. So we're putting this in a petri dish. Remember, when it comes out of the oven, it is hot. So ask your parents to get it out for you. Do not try this at home because it will be hot or it will burn your house down. So now we will take out the slime. This doesn't look good at all. It looks very sticky and gooey. The results are terrible. Terrible. Now let's put this one in a glass of water. Mix it in, mix it. Ooh, it's becoming more stretchier. Let's put it more. Okay guys, so my slime is hard, and if your slime is hard, you can just put it in a glass of water to make it stretchy again and extra slimy. Let's look at the results. It's a little slippery. It's solid, freezing, and frozen. It's super cold. It's time to look. It's super shiny and it's super solid. I don't know guys if you can see it properly or not. Oh. Whoa. It's a little bit jelly. It's a little bit soft. And it's a little bit smelly. I wonder why. Ew. Here, take a look what's inside. Isn't that cool? It's cool, and cool as in cold. And it still has a little bit bubbles. Okay guys, now you saw what happened. So bye guys. Make sure you have a good day and like and subscribe. Hello.